Hi friends, today we show here some questions which is asking in MSIT exam in 2021, and if you are new on this channel then don't forget to subscribe this channel and also hit the like and put a comment if you are like this video. So let's start. Google Chrome is a type of browser. Which of the following is browser? Internet Explorer. B2C, C2B and B2B are types of e-commerce. The .com indicate website or dash types of organization. Commercial. Information sent or over the internet is divided into a small piece called packets. The removal of the grid line of the cell in the worksheet is optional. Yes, true. A templates file in a MS Excel has a extension XLTX. Which of the following option is not an elements or spreadsheet? Transition. Which of the following can you include in the file name while saving your Excel sheet? Alphabet and characters. Which of the following option is not available in Excel? Table of content. You can apply cell shading using the dash option. Fill color. On removing on the dash an Excel sheet will look like a blank document. Grid line. In MS Outlook, which will be the first step that you will follow to compose a new email? New email icon. Statistics tab are those that are visible at all time, whereas contextual tabs only appears when specific function are begins perform. Identify which of the following is not a statistic tab. Format tab is not a statistics tab. While sending an email, option CC means carbon copy. When someone informs you that they have sent you a new email but you cannot find it in your inbox, what can you do? Click on send receive all folders icon. Which option would you need to uncheck in the event window to convert an event into a partial day appointment? All day event. What types of function is not available in the review tab of Microsoft PowerPoint? Review tab. Slideshow is not available in review tab. Which of the following elements can be used to create a smarter graphics? Pictures. If you need to switch your presentation to black and white scale, black and white scale, gray scale or color scale, you need to click on the dash tab. View tab. Select all these types of smart art graphics that PowerPoint offers for quickly and efficiently presenting information in your slide. All of the above is correct answer. After you have applied the desired formatting changes in your presentation, what will you do? Thus deselect the text. Click on the outside area. PowerPoint has a feature that allows you to directly import Excel sheet into your presentation. True. Which of the following is not a function of the operating system? Editing a spreadsheet file. Which software is used to play music in Windows? Windows Media Player. In Windows, which programs reduce the size of files so that they occupy larger space on the disk? File compression. In Windows operating system, you can open Notepad and Paint application concurrently. This feature is known as multitasking. What happens in a document when the cut command is used? The selected text or graphics are removed. Footer is an option that can be found in the -- tab. Insert. You can use the -- feature to insert a ready-made list of characters to topics in your Word document. Table of content. Which should be the first step that you will follow to insert a text box into your document? Click on the Insert tab, go to Text Group. To enter text in inserted text box, you will first need to -- the text box. Click on. You quickly add a pre-designed visual appeal to a shape or a line. What you will apply? Shape style. After clicking on the Start button, where you can find the Microsoft Office all program. Which option would you use to insert a logo at the top and bottom of each page, header and footer? The series of dots that from an image or a monitor are called pixel. -- is a transmission of electronic images over the internet. Email. A keyboard key like caps lock that turns on a features or off the features called a -- key. Toggle key. Processing of the copying information to your computer from a specified configured FTP server is called as downloading. All of these following are commonly used unit of measurement to describe memory capacity except nanobyte. Most operating systems supported to the ability to switch between different applications. This is called multitasking. -- is valid use for wireless headphones, monitor, Bluetooth. तुम्ही प्रश्न वाचून घ्या प्लीज. A series that use existing phones line to provide high speed connection is called WAN. Hardware include following except data is not in hardware. The series of dots that form the image on the monitor called pixel. आत्ताच प्रश्न येऊन गेला बघा. Which would be the most appropriate type of application to create analysis and forecast budget? Present spreadsheet. -- are specialized digital video camera that capture image. Webcams. -- suites include a variety of a program designed to make computing easier and safe. Application. -- is an data or instruction that are used by a computer input. On a hard disk, each track is divided into invisible wide section called sector. या ठिकाणी आपल्याला 50 पैकी 47 मार्क एक्झाममध्ये पडलेले आहेत आणि आपण त्याचं ॲनालिसिस करून बघूयात कोणते प्रश्न चुकले. त्या ठिकाणी 9 नंबरचा प्रश्न चुकला आहे. त्याचं उत्तर होतं अल्फाबेट्स अँड नंबर्स. देन 43 TSL अँड युटिलिटी. असो, या ठिकाणी 3 प्रश्न आपले चुकले ते व्यवस्थित बघून घ्या आणि जर व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला आवडला असेल तर कृपया करून आपला चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करा.